introduce you to a new dish. This is 2 small new potatoes with cheese and igadu. This is a jacket potato igadu.
What do you call that?
A jacket potato igadu. And it is going to be masarap. Into the microwave for the last minute and a half. I'll show you in a minute. There we go.
Don't let it explode. That igado is going to explode. It's going to pop.
Nah, it won't.
Believe you me, it will pop.
See, our chef create new dishes in under 5 minutes.
What?
No, actually, food in 15 minutes. Really?
It's hot. You can't handle it.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's piping hot because I'm steaming.
Check a potato. Igadu. 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 There's a song somewhere along the line. Oh, that's agadu, eh?
Agad. Now, you're going to have to say that in Tagalog. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
What?
What?
You said kain po tayo. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
That's the what?
Kain po tayo.
Don't say po tayo. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo. That's what I said. You said inside. I said kain po tayo. Sa?
Actually, I think I'm pronouncing it in English right now. It needs to be kain po tayo.
Kain Kain po tayo.
Not tayo, because T is English. Ta, as in Tagalog, tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
That's the one.
Sorry, I pickled lip.
I'm going to put 12 tablespoons of boiling water in my cocoa powder. That's about 100 grams of cocoa powder.
Smells nice.
Does.
Cool, can you smell that, folks? Sorry, you can't. It's not smell vision.
This is Mary Berry's trick, you see. Baking powder to self-raising flour. Sugar. Vanilla extract.
We want to. Anyway. Wow,
I need to grease it. This is not gonna take long anyway.
Okay.
Hmm?
You look at the screen. You looking at me. Eh? It's like a chocolate fountain in 3 tiers. Well, you don't see every chef do that. And we go in to the oven.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
The morning after. That's the chocolate tray bake.
Ano bang ano dyan sa... Wala naman akong tinatawagan.
Strong, yeah. She is amazing.